Can't be right. Wait, is that right? Oh. Come on, mate. Take her back. I would. Take the bag. Love you. Girlfriend at home. Busy. I would take the bag for the girl. I wouldn't let her drag it across, as she was clearly struggling, not the other thing. Roads around here aren't the smoothest in the world, but no doubt. What a year to start. Hello, welcome back to Too Tall to Drive. Welcome to 2025. Hope everybody had a good new year and all that jazz. I certainly did. It's an expensive year next year, nothing to do with driving, all to do with my personal life. I've got some big trips in January and February, which basically cover the whole year's activities and costs, really. And then I've got other stuff going on anyway. Let's go for a New Year's Day drive. Although this video is going out on Saturday or Sunday at 9:30, so it's not New Year's Day anymore. I always joke that the Jag is I would say the king of the Cotswolds. And I'm about to enter good old Burford. And, oh, that sounds good, I hope that comes across. And I always joke that Burford's kind of the king of the Jag. And I'm about to show you why. Right, so, as I mentioned, there's two F-types. It'd be funny if they're here. One is here, I can see it already. Set the camera up so you can see it. It's literally the same spec as mine, especially since I've done the extras to it. It's got the same wheels, here it is. Same wheels as mine, literally same spec. The only thing, he's got red brake calipers, I have black. And then there's a red one, a little bit further up here. Oh, it's not here. Rubbish. Always the way. Oh. Chaos. Let me go or not? No. Of course not. Why would you? Come on. Oh, it's gonna be tasty. Yeah, we have loads of space. Loads of space. Welcome to Burford. Is the camera still at the top? Yep. M4. Tesla. Oh, it sounds so good. Where was I? Yeah, so I turn 30 next year, and I set a goal that I'm not going to hit by the time I was 30. But I have got an F-type, and let's be honest, I understand completely that I'm in a very fortunate position to be able to get those things in the first place. So, what targets am I setting for next year? 0, to be quite honest. I set a few little targets that I've actually hit this year. They were to make a little bit of money through YouTube, which I have done. Now, it's nothing to write home about, but hey, I'm happy with the outcome nonetheless. Domino's gets more expensive every year, so the fact that YouTube pays for my Domino's pizza once, maybe twice a month, sometimes even 3 times a month, I'm quite happy. So the pub that I'm going to, I don't actually want to reveal the location, but I can't be the only one that knows about it. I found it when I never lived anywhere near here. I actually lived in Woodstock, which is where a lot of my videos used to be. I'm literally spending fuel like no tomorrow. It was COVID, we wanted to find somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and the best place we found that was here. It has stunning views of the Cotswolds. A lot of press trips seem to be based at this pub. I think you can probably get married here and lots of other things as well, but me and my partner found it. It's got to be 4+ years ago now, and we love it. Can I go straight on? Never know how to do these roads, and someone will probably tell me I've just gone the wrong way, but who knows. Is it busy? It's not too busy. Not too busy. Could park it there. I'm going to park it there. Oh, is it GLA 45? Right, I've arrived at the pub. First place. Oh, somebody should make that illegal. Oh, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you've got this far, for the love of God, you need help. Comment 2025 if you made it this far in the video. I do appreciate it. The support is great. And it's nice to build up a little community based around that number that I can see in the comments of people who get this far. Yeah, means a lot. Thank you very much.